Today we are going to learn about some Rahim's wonderful Doge and see what valuable lessons they have for us. Rahim Das, often known simply as Rahim, was a great poet who lived in India many hundred years ago. He was famous for writing short poems called Doge, that means that have prose. Doge are like a little wise sayings or couplets. They are usually just 2 lines long, but they pack a lot of meanings. They often teach us about life, good behaviors, and how to be a kind and thoughtful persons. Rahim's Doge are still very popular today because their messages are timeless and easy to understand. So let's listen to some of couplets and meanings together. रहीमन देखे बटन को रहीमन देखे बटन को लगो ना दीजिए डारे जहां काम आवे सुई कभी करे तलवारी. So Rahim said, Rahim देखे बड़े को देख के कहे, Rahim says to the elders, लगो ना दीजिए डारिस, don't leave the small things, don't leave the small things. जहां काम आवे सुई, where the threads, where the needles come to the work, then this sword turn to that. Kare talvaris. The talvari means a sword, sui, needles. So the meanings, what sword can do? The sword can swing. So the arguments try to say that किसी भी छोटी चीज को बेकार मत समझना. You don't underestimate the small things. हर चीज का अपना अपना महत्व होता है. Every things have its own values. जैसे कि सिलाई करनी है तो सुई की जरूरत होती है. When you are stitching, that is necessary for the needles. There, the sword can't work it. So we don't undervalue anybody's. ककी रहीम संबत सागे बनत बहुत रीति. Rahim says that we have that so many ways to earnings. So many ways to earnings, the properties or relatives. There is the so many ways to earning the properties or wealth. Several ways to earning the wealth or properties or relatives. Vibhati kasabi je kase. Kasabi vibhati kase. There is the touching stones of the troubles. The troubles is like the troubles are like touching stones. The touching stones is stone is value the gold. Like that the troubles are find the correct friend, good friend. So Rahim says there are the several ways to learn the property or relatives. There is the test of methoding. There is that method of testing the good friends is that troubles are the method of testing the good friends, he says. So I hope you will understand these poems. Let's go for the book exercise of these lessons. The next day, Kirtons, Rahiman Vibhati Bali, Jo, Dore Din Hois. The Rahim says that trouble is good. Trouble is good for a short times. The troubles or wisdoms or accidents are good for short times. Why? Means that then only we can realize the good or bad. Hit, ya jagat mein, in this world, we can understand the hit good and hit bad. जगत में हित या अनहित जानी भारत सब कोई सब लोग can understand in the world whether the good or bad. The trouble is good for the short times, then only the peoples can understand the good or bad in the world, because the difficult to only identify who is that supporting real persons, real friend or relatives.